Top 3 must-know Delta Force mobile settings. If you're looking to improve your game with just few simple tweaks, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will share you top 3 settings that will help you aim better, move faster, and never miss a shot. When you press the fire button, if your scope automatically opens and it makes you miss the shot, especially in close range fights, then you can solve it by going to the settings. Here, you want to turn off quick ads, now turn off fire. Once that is done, you can have a much better accurate fight with hip fire and quick ads separately and more organized. Once that is done, you'll have a better control with hip fire and quick ADS separated, giving you more accuracy in those intense close range battles. With these settings turned off, you're good to go for better shooting and more precise movements. Next up is aiming stability. If you've noticed your aim drifting around while shooting, here's the fix. Open up your settings, go to your control settings and scroll down to find camera turning. Disable it for the fire button. If you're using other buttons like ADS or peaking, disable it for those as well. By customizing this setting, you're going to get much more control over your shooting, ensuring that your aim doesn't go all over the place in the heat of battle. Now for setting number 3, fast peaking and reloading interruptions. We all know how annoying it can be when you're reloading and an enemy rushes in before you can react. Here's the fix. Go to your settings. Here, enable lean peak, which allows you to lean very slightly at edges, which is very useful. To do fast peaking, set peak mode to hold. Turn off lean and ADS because you don't want to scope in automatically while peeking an enemy. When reloading, the enemy rushes you and you don't know how to cancel, go to settings and set reload interrupt method to fire interrupt. Now, as soon as you press the fire button, the reloading will stop and immediately fire. And last but not the least, speed up your movement. Here's a setting that will make your movements a lot quicker. Go to your settings and set tactical sprint to activate with the stick. Now head to your layout and stick your sprint button to your joystick. You can even lower the auto sprint range to make it faster. This tweak will seriously increase your movement speed. And there you have it, 3 mobile settings that will boost your gameplay in Delta Force. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.